In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font on Microsoft Forms. Whether you're designing a survey, a quiz, or a poll, having control over the font can help you create a distinct and professional look. While Microsoft Forms doesn't offer a robust set of options for font customization like some other applications, there are still ways you can tailor your form's appearance within the platform's existing capabilities. To start, you'll first need to navigate to Microsoft Forms. Open your web browser and head over to their website. Once you're there, sign in with your Microsoft account to access your existing forms or create a new one. It's important to ensure your account is properly set up so you have full functionality at your fingertips. Next, you want to choose which form you'd like to customize. Click on the form title of your choosing, and this will open it up in the editor view. While you might be looking for a specific change font option here, you'll notice Microsoft Forms doesn't provide a direct way to manually select fonts in the traditional sense. Unfortunately, this means there isn't a menu where you can pick from a list of different font styles as you would in other applications like Word or PowerPoint. However, don't be discouraged. Microsoft Forms offers a variety of templates that include different fonts and color schemes. So if you're seeking to alter your form's typography, a workaround is to browse through the available templates. By selecting a template, not only do you change the overall appearance, but this also includes the fonts used within those templates. This method gives you access to more color and font combinations than the standard default form. As you sift through these templates, keep in mind the styles are generally more professional and formal. This suits most business and educational needs perfectly, as the emphasis is on clarity and readability rather than decorative embellishments. Selecting a template that aligns with your form's purpose while also tweaking its visual appeal can go a long way to ensure engagement and ease of understanding for your audience. Furthermore, you can also change the layout of your forms, which can indirectly alter the font and color of the content. Playing around with these layouts can give you different results, sometimes surprising you with a fresh look that wasn't initially obvious. In summary, while the font customization options in Microsoft Forms are limited, strategically using templates and adjusting the layout can help you achieve the desired appearance for your forms. It's all about utilizing what's provided as effectively as possible. So, jump in and start experimenting with the templates and layouts available to find the best fit for your project. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these tips help elevate your Microsoft Forms design.